Crafty caboodle. Let's get crafty today.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this really awesome looking wreath. It's made out of 80 bows. That's right, I used so many different colors and I think this one looks really festive. And guess what? You only need 3 items to make this. It's gonna look really cool on your door. All right, you guys, let's get started. All right, you guys, so here's everything you are gonna need to make this wreath. So I got 2 big bags. These are the 40 count of bows. You are also gonna need a hot glue gun, and I'll have all of the links down below on where to get these. And the third item you're gonna need, this is what makes the wreath, is a straw wreath. This is made out of straw. I am not gonna take the plastic off of this. And that's pretty much it. You need 3 items. All right, let's get started. Okay, I'm just gonna dump all of my bows out and these colorful ones. Wow, this looks like a lot of bows. Okay, so we're gonna find a spot on where we're gonna start. You can start wherever you want. And I'm gonna start with the big bows first. I'm gonna go ahead and just put lots of glue and just go ahead and place it wherever you want. And I like to start with the bigger bows first, just so that they're not all clumped together in one area. So we've got different colors on each of the sides. And then I'm just gonna keep going with the big bows. But this time I'm just gonna put them like on the edges. And let's continue until we're all done. And Caboodle fans, don't forget to hold this for a little bit so it sticks to your wrapping. All right, Caboodle fans, here's what it looks like so far. It looks amazing. I am just gonna go ahead and fill in any areas where I still see the straw, especially areas like on the side or like little gaps on top right here. You guys, I've got one more bow. It's kind of like a rose gold, which I'm putting it on the sides. So let's see, let's finish it off. Last one. And we are finished. Wow, oh wow, did this turn out awesome. All right, you guys, thank you all so much for watching. This was a pretty simple bow wreath. I cannot believe it only took 3 items. And I hope you all have a very Merry Christmas. Until next time, bye.